Hey guys, it's me Christian Bicabasal from grade 9 Mendeleev, and today I'm gonna show y'all how to solve for the standard form in a quadratic equation. Without further ado, let's get started. These are the formulas that we are going to be using in order to get the standard form of a given equation. First is to get its general form, which is determining the value of a, b, and c in a given equation. Next is to find the value of h and k, then substituting those values to the formula of the standard form. So let's try it out with this example. 2x squared plus 4x plus 1. So as we can see, the value of a, b, and c is already highlighted because the actual given itself is already on its general form. So now that we have our general form, it's time to try and solve for the value of h, which has the formula of negative b over 2a. Now, to get the value of h, the first thing we're going to do is to substitute the value of every single variable. Substituting the value of b, which makes it negative 4 because the actual value of b is 4 and the negative in the actual equation, over 2 times the value of a, which is 2, multiplying them to get positive 4, dividing negative 4 to positive 4 in order to get the final answer of negative 1, which is the final value of our h. Next is to try and find the value of our k, which has the formula of 4ac minus b squared over 4a. Now, once again, substitute all the values of the variables. Value of a, which is 2, value of c, which is 1, minus b squared, which is 4 squared. 4 squared essentially means 4 times 4, indicating the number 2 right over here, which means multiplying the number inside to itself by the amount of number here, which is 2. Therefore, you're going to multiply 2 4s to each other over 4 times the value of a, which is 2. Now multiplying all of these together, 4 times 2 is 8 times 1 is still 8, minus 4 squared or 4 times 4, which gives us 16, over 4 times 2, which gives us 8. Now, 8 minus 16 is negative 8 over 8 or positive 8 divided by itself, which gives us the answer of negative 1. So now, the final values of h is negative 1 and the value of k is negative 1 as well. Now that we have everything, it's time to get our standard form, which has the formula of a multiplied by x minus h squared plus k. Now, substituting the value of every single one of these will give us our final answer or the final standard form. Now, the value of a, which is 2, multiplied by x, which is still x, plus 1 because the value of h is negative 1, which makes it positive because of the negative in the actual equation, squared, plus k, which makes it negative 1 because of the actual answer of k, which is negative 1, negative times positive, which makes it negative. And this is our final standard form. I hope you've learned a thing or two from this tutorial, and thank you for watching. Hopefully this made your life easier when it comes to math, and that's all. Thank you.